Located just northwest of Miami, Hialeah is one of Florida's most business-active cities, where local shops, service providers, manufacturers, and logistics crews work hard to keep the economy moving. From family-run operations to fast-growing companies, Hialeah business owners know that timing is everything, and access to funding shouldn't get in the way of progress. That's where New York Fast Funding comes in. We provide fast, flexible financing designed for Florida businesses that can't afford to wait weeks for traditional bank approvals. If your business earns at least $10,000 per month and has been operating for 6 months or more, you may already qualify. No hard credit checks, no confusing paperwork, just a simple application, a decision in 24 hours, and funding delivered shortly after. In a city like Hialeah, where business never slows down, your financing should move just as fast. New York Fast Funding is ready when you are. Apply online today and keep your next move within reach.